Today, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to extract and play eFootball 2026 on any device and the best settings to utilize so you can get good performance and FPS on your devices. Alright, by now I'm sure you guys already have the PPSSPP emulator and the Z archiver installed on your device. If you have not actually installed this on your device, then go and watch my PPSSPP setup videos on my channel so you can actually set them up on your device. Now, open up your Z archiver and then locate your eFootball game file. Now, you can see my game file over here. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on it. So just tap on it once. Once you tap on it, you're going to see the extract here option. So click on it and it's going to start extracting the game files. Alright, right now it is done extracting. So if I go into this folder right now, you can see all the files that we are going to be needing. So please just make sure you stay focused, because if you have to make any mistake right now, it's not going to work. So we're going to be starting with the save data. So you click on it, you hold down on it, you cut, and then you locate your original PSP game file. My own original PSP game file is inside the document section. So if I click on my document section, you can see I'm in here. Then I go into the save data and I paste it in there. Then we'll go back to the extracted files. Now we'll move on to textures. We click on textures. You can see every single thing in here. So we are going to have to move every single thing in here. So to do that, we'll have to mark everything. So you can see the multi-select option. So I'll click on it and then I'm going to have to mark every single thing in here. So I'll click on select all, then I'll hold down on it. I'll cut everything in here. Then I'll locate my original PSP folder inside the document section. Go to the texture, I paste everything there. Alright, we're done with that. Now there's just one more thing for us to move. So we'll go back to the extracted folder. And then you can see this eFootball folder. So we're not going into the folder this time. We're moving the entire folder. So we hold down on the folder itself. We'll cut it. We'll go to the original PSP folder in the document section. This time we're going to the game folder. So we'll go into the game folder. We'll paste it in there. Now we can reopen our PPSSPP emulator. Now you can see the game is still not here to play. That's because the emulator do not know where we kept the game file. So you have to click on the browse icon at the top. So once you click on it, just show it where you kept the game files. So mine is inside the document section, PSP, game, you can see. And I'll click use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is there and is ready to play. Now, you'll also be needing some settings to give you the best performance and FPS on any device. I already have a dedicated video for that, so you simply have to just wait till the end of this video so you can have access to that, because I'm going to recommend it and it's very, very vital so you can get best performance and FPS on your device. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
It's hard to argue that he is one of the highest centre-backs to come out of the Scottish Bowl. Yeah, I've got to go along with that. When you look at his achievements and his longevity, the figures speak for themselves. And of course, he's a man who many look to for inspiration.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there, but I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.